Hi butterflies, this butterfly has a new ring and I'm here to tell you all about her. She is so beautiful. She is so beautiful. What do you think about her? She's from MollyJewelryUS. It is fully customized, so this is very unique to me right now, and you can get yours fully customized as well by clicking the link. But let me tell you more about this gorgeous ring because I really think everyone should try. We're always celebrating life's milestones. Do you ever feel like your shopping cart is always filled with gifts for others? Birthdays, weddings, promotions, but never for yourself? Today, I'm changing that. With just $300, I'm gifting myself a truly selfish gift. Not luxury for others, but a moment of pure self-appreciation. And this is my answer. A custom ring from MollyJewelryUS. I chose MollyJewelryUS especially for its complete customization. I did customize this myself from start to finish. What do I truly love? A classic round cut or a unique pear shape, warm rose gold or a cool platinum. I can even engrave a secret message on the inside only known to me. This process is about defining piece by piece who I am. This gift is unique not because of its price tag, but because it's inscribed with my name and my story. I even had it engraved with L Infinity N, a secret message to myself. But if you're a butterfly, you know why. One ring, 3 styles, incredible value for the price. You can stack these any which way you feel like that day. Such an evolved state, and it is so beautiful. Let me know what you think of it, okay? Let me know what you think of it in the comments right now. That investment just feels truly accessible. No overpriced branding, just honest craftsmanship and meaningful pieces. The craftsmanship makes it perfect for daily wear. It pairs seamlessly with my wedding rings, yet holds its own identity. That harmony is exactly how I want my life and myself to feel. A true everyday gift must withstand the test of daily life. MollyJewelryUS rings are designed with this in mind. Look at the secure prongs and the comfortable ergonomic curve of the brand. Whether worn alone or stacked, it's the perfect accent piece. I wear it almost 24/7, working, washing hands, cooking. Its strength and resistance to tarnish mean I have to never worry. Fine jewelry shouldn't be kept in a box. It should shine confidently in everyday life, just like we do. And that's why MollyJewelryUS is so amazing. Whether it's a meaningful gift, a thoughtful engagement piece, something amazing for your best friend, something you just want to use to tell someone special in your life how special they are to you, that's where MollyJewelryUS comes in. Or even for that uniquely different engagement ring that breaks the mold, that is where MollyJewelryUS comes in. This at MollyJewelryUS is where you can make that moment unforgettable. I'm inviting every single one butterfly to try out MollyJewelryUS. If your wedding is coming up or you just want to give something special to someone, trust me, this deal is the best I have seen so far. These rings are so beautiful. I have my I'm just in awe. I have it on and I'm just in awe. I have my eyes on this shape for a while and I just love it so much. Check out the link to create yours. They're so pretty. Like, that is so beautiful. Christmas is coming. This year, be your own Santa. Choose MollyJewelryUS and treat yourself to something truly meaningful. I mean, you've worked so hard all year and you deserve to be celebrated. Start with a ring that tells your story. I love you. Bye.